in a busy world. With more people inhabiting the planet, moving into the cities, with more cars in the streets and construction activities all around us, our environment is getting noisier. Majority of us does not have the privilege to live in remote and quiet places, but this does not mean that we have to live disturbed by noise. We, at Knauf Insulation, believe that peace and quiet should be at the heart of our built environment, of our homes, offices or schools. Let me show you why is acoustics such an important aspect of our lives and what are we doing to make them more quiet and peaceful. Health is our most precious and most important asset, and excessive noise can damage it. In Europe alone, 150 million people live in the areas where noise levels are considered harmful to health. Out of these people, 6.5 million is highly disturbed by noise in the nighttime. That causes sleep deprivation, increases stress hormone levels, and leads to cardiovascular diseases. More than 48,000 cases of heart problems related to noise are reported each year in Europe. While, on the other hand, good acoustic conditions and quiet hospital spaces increase the rate and quality of recovery. Noise is the #1 complaint in office spaces. It reduces the productivity and satisfaction of employees. Poor acoustic conditions in schools affect the cognitive abilities of our children and reduce their academic performance. Apart from its big influence to our health and well-being, acoustics can be linked to profitability too. Noisy hotels, loud restaurants, or head-splitting shopping malls report up to 10% profit loss compared to acoustically pleasant spaces. It has been estimated that the accumulative cost of noise amounts to staggering 11.5 billion euros per year, owing to hospitalization cost, reduced productivity, or even hearing loss at the workplace. So, why is this happening? Why are our living and working spaces often so noisy and unsupportable? Back in the days, buildings were oversized, and constructing 1 meter thick walls was not considered wasteful, and poor sound insulation was not yet a global issue. Modern times and contemporary architecture brought the rise in material optimization, value engineering, and use of thin and lightweight materials. If such buildings are constructed without special acoustic materials, noise will most likely become the problem. And this has been realized by the regulations governing green buildings. All the green building standards make acoustic comfort mandatory. It's not possible to build a green, healthy building without considering its acoustic quality. It's not enough anymore to make buildings only energy efficient. Buildings need to provide high standard of living, which assumes peaceful spaces. Similar to energy classes, the future will bring acoustic classes, enabling the end users to have a transparent insight into the acoustic quality of their investment. So, how can we build efficiently, sustainably green, but still provide high level of acoustic comfort? Here's a solution. This masterpiece of engineering is called mineral wool. At the first glance, it might not seem spectacular, but once we take a look at its carefully engineered microstructure and the complex network created by these fibers, it's hard not to be amazed. Structure of these pores enables the sound to be captured inside the insulation. Although quite remarkable by itself, mineral wool reaches its full potential once installed in building systems. Thanks to its versatility, it can be installed within any building element, such as the walls, floors, or even facades. Once added to these constructions, it significantly increases their sound insulating performance. This makes it invaluable material for new builds or renovations. Reduction in noise due to the installation of mineral wool makes all the difference between the noisy and quiet spaces. And Knauf Insulation does not stop there. We are finding ways to make mineral wool suitable for even larger variety of applications. These days, our insulation is installed in road noise barriers, indoors, in the casings of air conditioning equipment, It's even used to make green walls and roofs. We are committed to continue this battle for better and quieter buildings, for your health, your good night's sleep, for comfortable office spaces, for enjoyable schools, for a better world.